Siyempre, ikaw lang ako mag-prepare, Ana. So, nala siya dili. But before you prepare the food, unsa man? Serve up, present, in order, repeat order. Serve bread and butter. So, this is the bread and butter. Okay, now you will have here. Okay. Ito siya, the purpose of this one. Okay. Hindi ta magamit ang food dog, kundi maginamit ta. Muna siya ginagamit sa Russian iwa o Russian service. I-flip lang na siya. So, dapat na bread and butter. Sir, here is your complimentary bread and butter. Enjoy the bread, sir. Siya, direct siya mukha na. Karon, mag-adjust. Adjust ka tabi na ta. Kung sa may kinahanglan mo, na-siya'y appetizer, na-siya'y soup, na-siya'y soup, na-siya'y appetizer, saka, na-siya'y, remember ang iyang order is pork, real pork chop. Pwede ka mag-steak knife or mag-cleaner. Na naman siya cleaner. Ito na. Nasa salad. Tapos kay salad knife. So may salad knife. So, appetizer, soup, salad. And then you have main course. Okay na. Dessert, na siya. And then the red wine. So, natakaroon sa adjust. Natin. Sir, are you done with your bread and butter? Can I take the plate? So, pag gumana na, syempre mo yung kaon sa bread, hindi mo na siyang i-dish out. So, sir, are you done with your bread and butter? Can I take the plate? So, pag gumaling kayo, balik tayo para dili kalat. So, pwede na ito mag-serve. Okay, ang serve muna niya is appetizer. It's calamares. Asa ka rin nga side? Right side. Right side, right hand. Kaya kung left hand, back, ikot yung guess. So, sir, here is your calamares. So, karon ikaw, asa may mong gamito na anak karon? Sige, butang na nadra. Ay, ako man na, sir. Are you done with your calamares? Yes. Can I take the plate? Ipakuha. Gunit ang kamot. Gunitan ang kutsara para dili magtingog. Okay. Alin na po. Say sunod sa calamares. Order. Mushroom soup. Yes. Mushroom soup. Mushroom soup. Sir, here is your mushroom soup. Enjoy. Sige, sa may gamito ni mo. Okay. Utang na diretso. Sir, are you done with your mushroom soup? Can I take the plate? Pak, utang. Yes. Ako man sa sunod. Salad. Sir, here is your garden salad. Enjoy. Okay, karon, pag umanyag kahon. Okay. Sir, are you done with your salad?
Yes
Okay.
po.
Duha ka po. Kwaon in. Pag.
sa Manila.
Uy, gogo. Sila ko.
Sir, may I present your wine selection? Mary Republic, product of Spain, 13% alcohol content. Would you like me to open, sir? Now, Naipoy, pak, pak, pak.
Papaplo.
Hindi naman siya lisod kay naabrihan na manggol.
Okay, bano ka to
Anak pa. Sir, would you like to smell the corn? Pwede pag ka din to smell ha. Pwede pag mo siya. Pag mo smell, pak, bigay mo lang. Would you like me to pour some wine, sir?
alam mo. Ano?
Sir, please try.
Tignan mo.
Would you like me to pour some more?
Tilawid.
Ay, hindi na to.
Excuse me for a while. Wow, ni, kahit po tayo magiging. Sunod, sa ikuhaton.
Main course.
Sir, main course. Sa kayo main course niya? Pork chop. Sir, here is your real pork chop. Sir, are you done with your main course? Can I take the plate, sir? This time, you get na the show plate also. Dali ka siya. Kaya main course naman siya. Umana na siya, di ba? Okay.
Dira na ka.
Tapos, usip buhaton. Pati sa wine, sa ito, sa ipaw ng wine. Kasi umana naman, sir. Are you done with your wine? Can I take the wine and the wine glass, sir? Usay na binit perminte, ah?
Water goblet.
Okay, so now, right after that is Magnet Ram. Actually, ang big ram na siguro na siya open ng brush suglay na mana, trapo ba? So wala man ta, ipon na kaya ito na ipon. So ipino lang nato na siya. Maulat sa doon, itapat na doon. Sir, may I recram the table? So, pag isa lang yung mukha na, ayun na nakanana ha? Kaya di makawa na tamo mo. Bagay. Susapan ka. So, ano na tama? Pa. Okay. Kuha, adjust din mo ang dessert. Pa, na o. That's why dapat, kung asa ang fork mo nga handle, dito niyo siya kay pag-adjust din mo na karon, ano man ka? Okay, mira. Dili na po ka sa pikas. Pa. So, saan na lang itong ano? Dessert.
Lapak eh. Halo-halo.
Sayahang ano? Pudding ala mode.
Alabang.
Sir, here is your pudding ala mode.
Alam mo.
Enjoy your dessert. Sir, are you done with your dessert?
Yes.
Kuha ka. Ayaw ko ready na po. Okay, Karon, asa na point mo lang?
Coffee po.
Coffee.
Mapikat yan.
Apay coffee, no? Ay, teaspoon.
Minus.
Sige, minus na 4 lang.
wala naman yung nasa isa.
And
Yung kapart
so how was your dining experience, sir?
Nanong siya?
It's nice to hear that, sir.
May
Bakit
ako-
pinatest ko coffee eh? Sir, are you done with your coffee? Can I take the cup? Can I take the cup, sir? Ang water goblet na lang na 15 titira. Tapos, Carol, malinay ka. Can I have my bill, please? For a moment, sir, we will process the billing. Ano tayo ta? Chak. Okay. Una ito, mag-compute na mo sa bills. Yan, tuluan ko na mo sa pag-compute pa. What are the different mode of payment?
Cash card.
Cash and credit card. So, okay, pag card ganit, okay, so pag cash, kumari exact amount, here is the exact amount. So, dapat, kabalo ka pila mo bill, kumari yung bill is 2,400. Siguraduhan lang yung ka na CXCR ka, memorize mo sa sequence of service. Ay, ako, nag-utong-utong po ako sa kumahin. Okay? So, pag wari na exchange, dapat kabalo mo compute pila yung cambio. Okay? Sir, here is your bill. 2,400. Ano ka? Okay, how will you settle your account, sir? Is it cash or credit card? Cash lang ta para dali. Cash lang ta. Here is my payment. 3,000 pesos. So, pilang bill? 4. 3,000 di ba? Pilang cambio? 600. Sir, for a moment, I'll be back with your receipt and change. Ano ka? Sir, here is your receipt and your 600 change. How was your dining experience, sir? It was good. It was great. Ito pa. It was good. It was great. Ito, utang ang imong table napkin dire. Dra ka, ulat ako.
Yan ka, kay sabay na mag-uli.
Okay, dili na to lead goodbye. Dili ba dapat bukuri yung kung guest? Kaya dili ba dito na buhat ang imuhang drama kung si guest dili po siya mag-participate. So dili tapos, ato ba sa Sir, thank you so much for dining with us. Looking forward to see you again. Have a great day. Goodbye. Okay, ako na lang siya dito.
Ana, ikaw.
Ay! Manian Sulihat, thank you so much for dining with us. Looking forward to serve you again.
Memorize na naman natin.
Have a great day. Good.
Salvation.
Bye. Ilan na siya? 10? 10.